In this tutorial, we will be going over the basics of the third type of imaging that you can create with the AutoCam 360 multi-axis imaging system, the positional video. The positional video captures individual clips of video while the turntable rotates and the camera stays in a single position. You build your video template by adding tiles and determining how far and fast the turntable rotates. Each tile is a camera position and a separate video clip. I'm going to walk you through how to create a 2-tile template, with one tile being of a full view and the second tile will be of a close-up view, each with a full 360-degree rotation. A few notes before we get started. To use the video automations, you'll need to manually switch your camera to video mode and insert a memory card. Currently, video can only be saved to a card and previewed from the camera. You will also need to calibrate your zoom and focus motors. If you need a refresher on how to do this, watch this video first. It's also linked below in the description. If you don't have these motors, you can still use the positional video automation. You will just need to create single tile templates for each position you are recording, so you are able to manually adjust your zoom and focus for each one. Okay, now we can get started. I'm going to click to create a new template. I'm going to name mine Positional Video, and I'm going to select the Positional Video mode. I'm going to deselect Auto Create Tiles because I want to show you how to manually add them. I will click Add New Tile and add them as I go. Each tile represents a new camera angle and a new video. You can capture video at multiple angles by adding additional tiles to your template. The camera stops recording after each tile, then starts again for the next one, giving you individual clips for each one. So the position I save for this tile will be my first camera angle. I already have the axes currently in the positions that I want. I will just hit the Set button on the tile to assign the positions to the tile. If you right-click on the tile, it will bring up the Tile Setup menu. You can see it save the position for each axis. Now I'm going to add another tile to create my second position. I want this position to be slightly angled and much closer to the product. I'm going to angle the camera by setting the tilt to -15 degrees. Now I'm going to raise the elevation. And I want to get nice and close, so I'm going to zoom in. Just going to adjust the elevation a little bit more. I want to check the focus using the Live View Zoom, and I'm going to adjust by using the bump buttons. Okay, I think that looks good, so I will set this position for the second tile. I want to go back to the first tile positions, so I will hit go and all the axes will move to the first position. Now that the tile positions are saved, I need to set up my video details by going into the Template Setup menu. The Positional Video Automation records video as the turntable rotates. You can program it to rotate up to 5 full 360-degree rotations, or as little as 1/10 of a rotation per each tile. Since I want a full rotation at each position, I'm going to leave it at 1 rotation. You can also adjust the speed of the rotation. I'm going to slow it down to about 6,000 RPMs. The turntable's default direction is clockwise, but you can also reverse it if you need to. And that's how you set up a positional video template with 2 tiles at 2 different positions. Now I just need to run the automation. Watch as the table rotates for the first tile, then changes position and moves on to the second tile. When the automation is complete, the result is 2 individual 360-degree videos at 2 different angles, created in less than 4 minutes. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials, click to subscribe.